Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. When we talk about AI in EDA, we think about agentic AI. So nowadays agentic AI is common to the chip designers and chip validation engineers. But what is beyond that? So agentic AI solutions has been already started being provided by the EDA companies. Now for that to know what is beyond agentic AI, we need to go back and see what were the EDA companies before and how they evolved in the ecosystem. So before that, when all the semiconductor companies, they were developing their product, they have their own proprietary tool, and they used to use those proprietary tools to design chip and to do verification and validation stuff. So that was a proprietary for the semiconductor companies. But after that, they have started thinking that all the tools they have developed, there is some duplications out there. So most of the companies, they used to require a verification product in the form of simulation, emulation, and then after that floor planning, then other stuff of the chip design thing, and also the hardware description languages. Then they started off sharing those proprietary things to the mass. That means some HDL languages like Verilog, VHDL, they have been standardized, and all the other semiconductor companies, they have also started designing their chip with these languages. So now the EDA companies have evolved. Those semiconductor companies, they used to give their technology to the EDA companies. In the return, they used to get a free maintenance. On the other hand, EDA companies also started being benefited. They used to develop the project which is can be given to the mass, that means all the other semiconductor companies, and in that way they used to optimize the the manpower out there, the project, and the number of people that used to work in a particular project. And they have started building the other product of the semiconductor chip designing, and they used to provide those solutions to all the semiconductor big companies and the chip design stuff. Then the AI has come to the market, and in that way the large companies, they have started for example, Google is working on the TPU solutions, and they have also incorporated a big team where those big teams are working on these solutions and the processor side of the things, and they're maintaining it, and also they have some proprietary tools. On the other hand, if you think about Nvidia also has developed their proprietary solutions, so that they have started incorporating, so that the Verilog VHDL is being fed to some some patterns, some design patterns also, and in that way right now there are tools in the Nvidia that they can develop the chip with the help of Verilog VHDL even better than the human design. Now we come back to the story of EDA companies. In the meantime, EDA companies have started developing agentic solutions. Agentic solution is basically AI solutions. There are AI friends or AI agents who is to dedicated for different type of product. So I have made some agentic AI videos also, so you can check those videos from the library. So in short, agentic AI is being developed by the EDA companies, and they used to provide the application programming interface to the semiconductor design houses, so that with the help of API they can integrate their flow with the EDA solutions, and then they can work on it. But that is not complete. They have only started rolling out of this agentic AI solution. Only future can tell that is it a short-term solution or is it a large or long-term solutions. In the meantime, there are startups, EDA startups. Those EDA startups are finding it very difficult in the way that they, in order to build some product in the AI era, they need to do some training of models, and that is very cost effective, and that requires a lot of investment. So in that way, the venture capitalists, they have started pouring money onto the EDA startups so that they can quickly train their models and be competitive in the semiconductor ecosystem. So in this video, I have talked about EDA companies, I have talked about semiconductor design houses, I have also talked about the startups in the semiconductor domain, and how they are part of the ecosystem, how they are independent, and how they are interdependent as well. So if you are a chip designer or a chip verification or validation engineer, so do let me know what is your point of view in the comment section of the video. And I think that's it for today. Wait for my next video to come. Till then, Subhasish Chakraborti signing off.